What's up, guys? This is Chris from 5 Idiots Talking Toys. Just got a shipment in from CAS, so I'm gonna unbox it for you. These are actually not my figures. These were sent to me from another group member on the page. He wanted to get a lot of items graded and he wasn't sure on the process and how it works, and he wasn't sure on the condition of the figures and stuff. So he sent me about, I think, 50 figures to look over. And I would say out of the 50, I think 32 of them were gradable. He wanted anything graded 80 and higher. He just didn't want anything under 80. So out of the 50, I think there was like 32 of them that I thought would be good. And then the other 18 I sent back to him. So I sent them in for grading. This was about maybe six months ago. So they just came in today. I think over that time, he has gotten some of these in. So I believe some of these will be for sale on the page. He might just have me hold on to them and sell them for him on the page. So if you guys are interested in any of them, just let me know. Again, I'm not sure which ones will be for sale, but I know some of them will be. But yeah, so basically he just sent me his items and I acted like kind of like a pre-screener where I looked everything over and just felt like which ones would be good enough to be graded. So I'm gonna start opening them up. There's a lot of figures here, so. First one up is a Obi-Wan, white hair, CAS 85 plus. It's a Hong Kong, that's lettered hilt too. And another Obi-Wan. This is gray hair, Hong Kong, and this got graded as CAS 85. So you got both Obi-Wans here. Next one is a Tebow, Taiwan, graded in 85. And also a Han Solo trench coat, 85. So that's a nice one. Now I don't think he knows the grades. I never sent him the grades actually. I wanted to keep it a surprise because he was curious to see if I actually could maybe guess all these coming back over an 80. So hopefully he's watching this video and he's happy with everything. Next one is a low gray. This is a made in Macau, 80 plus. And squid head, 85. CAS has really been pumping out their items lately. The wait time has came down for sure, so that's a very good thing for anyone that's thinking about sending stuff in. You know, it's coming back fast. He has a Taiwan ERG, got graded a 90. He has another ERG, another Taiwan, 85 plus. So I don't think he's going to be keeping both of these since they're both Taiwan. So I'm assuming one might be for sale. Next one up is a Jawa dark brown stitch, 85. And then you have Luke Farm Boy, China, and it got graded an 80. Everyone knows that Luke Farm Boys are really, really hard to grade. They really are. Just getting an 85 and over is just always impossible for a Luke Farm Boy. Next one up is a Luke Stormtrooper, grade 85. And a Gunner, grade 85. So some last 17s in here. You got Darth Vader lettered hilt, grade 85, CAS 85. So the saber is lettered on this one. And then you have a snowtrooper, 85 plus. Super hard to get a high grade like this in a snowtrooper, so that's very nice. All white figures in general. Got General Madine. That's a flesh mold gray hair, 85. And you got a Tusken Raider, 85. IG-88, got graded in 80, silver body, deep hollow eyes. So very, very deep. Look how deep those hollow eyes are. No clue what the deep part means. Heard of hollow eyes, but I never heard of deep hollow eyes. Here's another IG-88, silver body, deep hollow eyes again, grade 80. So deep, so deep. You guys like the short V? Now you got the deep tubes over here. You got Yoda, brown snake, graded in 85. This is actually at Hong Kong, okay. And then you have Lumat, graded in 85. High grade for a Lumat. Lumats are always a pain to grade. They always discolor in the blister. They always turn yellowish and green, so. And you have another Yoda. This is a dark green, black eyes, grade 80. And then another orange snake Yoda, light green, grade 80. So far, everything has been an 80 and over, which is good. Got a AT-AT driver, orange logo, 85 plus. And you got an R2-D2 sensoscope, 80. There's 4 more figures. Got another made in Macau, low grade, 85. And a Chewbacca Taiwan, 80 grade. Notice how I just rip open the packages and my brother uses a scissor to cut them open. I just rip them up because my brother doesn't have any muscles, so I just rip mine open. This is Darth Vader, grade 90, lettered hilt. So if anyone needs any Vaders, there's 2 of them here. And Death Squad Commander, grade 85 plus. Oh, that's shaking a little bit. So, I'm sure this video will get posted soon on YouTube, 5 Idiots Talking Toys. Like I said, if you're interested in anything, they probably will be for sale. Some of them on Rogue 5 Toys once I get back to the customer and let them know that they arrived. If you are interested in sending stuff in for grading and you don't know how to do it or whatever, just reach out to me. You know, I'm kind of acting like a middleman for some people to do it. You know, I do charge a fee to do it. But, you know, out of mind, out of sight. So I do all the work for them. But, yeah, that's it. So tune into Rogue 5 Toys if you want any for sale or just message me. All right, thanks. Later.